The lymphoid progenitor gives rise to T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, and also natural killer cells. So these natural killer cells, also known as NK cells, they are distinct from B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. So they are neither B cells nor T cells. They are distinct cells and they constitute about 5 to 10% of lymphocytes. So these NK cells, they help in destroying cells with intracellular pathogens. Intracellular pathogens. They destroy cells infected with intracellular pathogens, which is somewhat similar to cytotoxic T cells. So these NK cells, they also destroy the infected cells, virus infected cells or altered self cells by releasing certain biologically potent molecules like perforin and granzymes. So these NK cells, they secrete perforins and granzymes, which in turn destroy the infected cells. But these natural killer cells, they are antigen non-specific. Antigen non-specific, right? So this is what differentiates them from cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells are antigen specific, whereas natural killer cells are antigen non-specific. That is why natural killer cells, they do not develop immunological memory. They don't develop immunological memory. That means they don't respond in a learned manner the second time they encounter the same pathogen, right? Whereas B cells and T cells, they both exhibit memory, but natural killer cells, they do not exhibit immunological memory. There is a disorder known as Shidaki-Higashi syndrome. Shidaki-Higashi syndrome, which is an autosomal recessive disorder. It is an autosomal recessive disorder which results in lack of natural killer cells. These NK cells are totally absent in the individual with the Shidaki-Higashi syndrome. The natural killer cells, they also participate in something known as ADCC, that is antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity. Antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity. That is what it means is natural killer cells, they generally have FC receptors. FC receptors. So an antibody, usually it has a FC region and FAB region. So these FC region, they can attach to these natural killer cells. So natural killer cells, they have FC receptors, that means they can bind to antibodies. These antibodies in turn, they will bind to an antigen or a specific pathogen. So based on that, by binding to the antibody, they can destroy the pathogen. So this type of reaction is known as antibody dependent cell mediated cytotoxicity. So this is all about natural killer cells.